everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you BMW E90. This is a year model 2007 and it's a 328i. On my display panel, the service engine light came on. I run the diagnostic and the coil pack is bad. So I'm going to start it. The light is coming up, service engine soon. So we're going to hook up the scanner. Press it, and if you notice that the code is P0302. If we read the code and it says cylinder 2 misfire detector. So I'll show you how to fix it. So the first step will be we're going to pop open the hood. The engine cover, we're going to open these 4 bolts here. 1, 2, and 1 on the back and 1 on the right at the bottom. Open these 4, and in order to open you need a ratchet, the Allen key, which is number 5. So we're going to open all 4 of these. So after opening the 4 bolts, we're going to open the cover, pull up, and then you slide on the side and then keep pulling it. The cylinder 2 misfire having issue, so we're going to open it. Once it's open, you fully open it, that's the wiring plug get pushed out. And then you pull the coil pack. So this is the bad coil pack and we're going to replace with the new one. So we're going to insert it in. Once it's fully seated, now we're going to put the connector back. Pushed in and close it. We're going to clear the engine light and then we're going to start it. So we're going to plug the scanner back again. Keep the key in number 2 and we're not going to start it. As it started to link, so it's connected. We're going to say yes, and now we're going to erase the code. Codes are cleared, and now we're going to start it. As you see, so now we're going to check again with the scanner. So there is no more code. As I shown you on the scanner, no more service engine light, and the cylinder 2 misfire code is fixed. The coil pack was bad, so this is the bad coil pack. And there is also another way you can do it. If you take this coil pack out and you take the other coil pack out and you swap it, and that way you can tell if it's a bad. This is what I did initially. I took it out from 2, put it into number 1, and then I seen on a scanner it was showing was failing. That was sure that the coil pack was bad. So that way you can troubleshoot. So now we're going to put the cover back and put Allen bolts back. And that's how it's easy you fix your service engine light on BMW 328i. So now I'm going to tighten it. I hope this video helped you out and motivate you to do your own DIY. And if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.